Happy Sunday. Something was just dropped at my door. Yay! You want to open it, Molly? She's standing here smelling it. Drink some of my oil tea here. Yeah, U.S. Army mug. Love my free mug. So as I open this, I woke up this morning not feeling great. Crampy. What else? And then like sinuses and stuff were not really happy. So I did my poof right away in the morning, and I've been doing, so what was I've been using? I did my poof, which is peppermint, on guard, oregano, frankincense. I added lemongrass and copaiba to it. And it's 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I think lemongrass I did 3 drops and copaiba 2. And I took that in a little gel cap, and then I took with breakfast a gel cap, and it's been working really well for my little infection I've got going on. It's been helping support my body and clearing that up and supporting my immune system. So that has Melissa, which is our 20% off oil, which I'm going to order on the 15th because I have a bottle, but I was going to spread things out so I get some more free Frank, which should be in this box. And then what else? I took DDR, 4 drops of that, 2 Melissa, 2 celery seed, and 2 cilantro in a gel cap, and I've been doing that for the past 3 or 4 days with my meals. Morning and dinner, not lunch. And then I've been using melaleuca and rose on my ankle as well, and sometimes peppermint if it feels warm to the touch or itchy at all. And that's been helping. It's looking a lot better, and I love seeing the oils at work. So I made an oil tea, and I think I accidentally threw in thyme, so it's a little zippy, but it works. So what's in here? We're going to do some unboxing. You guys ready? It's like Christmas already. It always feels like Christmas to doTERRA. All right. So I got a lot of free stuff, and then I got some holiday items as well. So try and show you everything that's in here. All right. These are a must-have this time of year. These are amazing to put in tea. So I'm gonna probably do this later today after I do this one oil tea. So I'm just gonna take a ginger drop, throw it into some hot water, and drink it. My oil tea that I have right now has the poof plus thyme, because I accidentally got thyme in there. And I got lemongrass in there. I didn't do copaiba. What else? I think I threw some lemon in there to help cleanse and keep things moving through my body to help kind of push this cold thing along a lot faster. And it does help. And I had a little bit of a headache. I've got the diffuser going. I put Holiday Peace in there, a drop of Holiday Joy, and Harvest Spice. So I love those scents, and they've got some immune support properties. So those are in there as well. So I got a bag of ginger drops. I got these free using my points. And give those out as samples as well. What else? Oh, that's right. So I did these free as well. So a PB Assist, I have 2 of those, the probiotics. I should have a whole collection of this one, yes. So I did the kit of Adaptive, you guys know. So I've got the roller ball, this is $80 wholesale. I got the capsules, I take one of those every night. Sometimes I take one during the day if I'm feeling a little more anxious. And then I should have the Adaptive Oil. So that was $80 for that. That one was not free. I'll try and put my free stuff over here by Molly and the non-free. So I got these free using points. And then more Adaptive soft gels because I've given some as gifts. All right, and then I had, these are free, so I cashed in points for these. Actually coconut oil, because we use a lot of that for classes. I've been using it on Molly's ear lately, using it on my ankle, any dry spots. that might need it, or anytime I make my roller balls, I use fractionated coconut oil. When I make the sugar scrubs, we use fractionated coconut oil, so we use it a lot. And I needed to restock up. Alrighty. So, I believe I got, yep, this one is free. Toothpaste, On Guard toothpaste. If you notice, I've got a lot of freebies here. Cashing in all those points. I added in the root to tip serum. I don't think I did this one free. I think I did normal price. Maybe I did free. I think that was normal price. And then I got a couple lemon oils free because I use lemon a lot, and I had sold some of my other ones that I had purchased. But we use lemon a lot. Laundry, all sorts of things. Then I've got On Guard, I got free. Cashing in my points. Go Copaiba free, which is good because I'm running low on both of those as well. And yes, I reuse my packaging, especially this time of year. All right, my free frankincense, because I did a $200 order. And I got my free clove, because when you do your LRP order by the 15th, you get a free clove. Plus, you get these fun little ornaments, and it looks like you pop them out and you make them. So this will be a fun little craft to do with your kiddos. And then you just put them together and make them. And we could do that right now, because I have my tree up, and we can hang them on the tree. So these are wood, which is nice because all you do is you got the string here, and you can add your oils. Oh, these are cute. I gotta pop the little piece out. These are cute. I love that they're kind of make your own. I love do-it-yourself things that are super easy. So it'd be fun with the kiddos. You could paint these if you wanted to. So this one's supposed to be like an oil drop. Ollie's like, Mom, what are you doing over there? So it slides right in there. Then I'll put my little string on there. So I'll put the string through, and I'll have a little ornament. You can put oil right on here because it's wood. A little 3D ornament. And then we have the oil drop, and then we have a little snowflake. So this one goes together like so. It should snap in there. Oh, maybe it's in there all the way. A little 3D snowflake. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. No, it's right. Alright, then we got a little 3D snowflake. Isn't that cute? And then I'll just put the string on that later. And those go on your tree. Or hang it in the office or something like that. So those were free with the clove, and you can put the clove on there. You can put any other oils on there. These are what I'm really excited about. The other new release items. So this is the Yarrow Palm collection. It even says, this is a really cool bag, Yarrow Palm on the thing here. So this is a great way to travel with your Yarrow Palm. This would make an amazing gift, you guys. So you get these before they're gone. They're gonna have the body renewal serum, the new body renewal serum. Oh, you guys, look at this. This bag is so cute. This is an amazing gift. So you've got the cellular beauty complex capsules. This is the only way you can get these until January, and they come in this really cute bag. So in January you don't get this cute bag unless they still have this available, but this is one of the Christmas items you could get until supplies last, and I believe you can get 4 per account. Yarrow Palm, which I was running low on, and it comes in a nice discount when you bundle it all together, and you get this cute little bag. And then the body renewal serum, which I've been using on my face. There's little pouches to kind of put things in here, so you could use this as your travel pouch if you're traveling, and put some oils in there. Oh, that is so cute. I love this. doTERRA did a really good job. So then you can even, if you want to fold it down. You can even seal it. You can snap these on, and then you could like connect it to something. I think what I would do, but yeah, they would snap down, so it kind of would condense it down a little bit. But cute, cute little bag. Love it. Love the feel of it. It's a beautiful color. Molly's gonna sniff it and investigate. All right, and then I got one new other holiday item. And this is the Immune Boost and Soothing Herbal Tea. So it's got directions on the back. I should open it, because this is an unboxing. I'm super excited because I've got my On Guard, which I was running low on as well. I just finished my bottle of making this tea, and I need more, so I'm probably going through my backup, and then thankfully I have another backup because this time of year we go through On Guard like crazy in this house. I've been diffusing it at night as well. All right, so cute box, cute gift. Look at this. I don't even get to see it. Displayed really nicely. So it comes with a tea infuser. It's like a silicone on top and then the stainless steel down here. And it looks like you just slide this up. You stick your tea in there. I like the size of this. This is really neat. And then you push this down, and you want to get those slots, you guys see the slots, into the tea container. And it looks like it just sits in there, and then you can even swish it around and stir it around, and then you can take it out and re-steep later. Always re-steep your loose leaf teas. These are loose leaf, and it does have on the back how to steep. Steeping. This one, oh, it looks like a can. I may wait to open this, but I can smell it and it smells amazing. So this one has bergamot essential oil in it. Those are really cute. There's peppermint, lemon balm, rose hips, beetroot, blueberry leaf, chamomile, lemongrass, lavender, rose petal, orange flower, and bergamot. This sounds amazing right now because I'm wanting a nap. So that's gonna be a good tea at night. And maybe, hopefully, when I go to do my next order, I can get another one of these because I think Holly would really like to enjoy some of this with me. And I have a feeling I'm gonna go through it quickly. And then we have the Immune Booster Herbal Tea, which has chamomile, lemon, verbena, ginger, green rubius, licorice, fennel fruit, orange peel, elderberry, flower, and then lemon oil and wild orange oil. Oh, you guys. Maybe I need to be drinking this one now. I'm gonna actually open this one now. It says lift, ring, pull up, and back. Hey, they have directions on there. And it sounds like a can. Like a soda can. That's how they got it all sealed. Oh, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at that loose leaf tea. And the chamomile, I've worked in a spice shop for the past 3 years. I'd worked there, and look at those chamomile. I don't know if you guys can see the light. So pretty. They are like good quality herbs in here. And it looks like, what is that? Orange. There's actually orange pieces. Hi, Joe. I'm opening my box because it got delivered today on a Sunday by U.S. Postal Service. This is the immune boosting tea and immune booster, and I'm going to be steeping this after I finish my oil tea because I bet this is going to taste a little bit better than putting thyme oil on accident in my tea. I'm super excited to try this, so I'll be letting you guys know how it tastes. I'm super excited. Both of them look amazing. So that is one of the Christmas items. Get them before they're gone. You can get 4 per account. They will be gone quickly, I am sure. And then they had the Yarrow Palm collection, which is an amazing deal. Like I said, I needed more Yarrow Palm. I've been putting it like under my eyes when I don't get enough sleep to help with some of the bags. It helps support your body, your skin with tightening and rejuvenating and moisturizing, hydrating. The body renewal, I've been putting it from head to toe because it's been really dry, so I've been using it on my face, on my skin, and it's been really nice. And then the Beauty Cellular Complex is going to be helping your skin and your body from the inside out. So it's going to get in your gut, which is important because our gut is where, a lot of stuff will come out through our skin because of our gut. If we're not eating proper things or not getting the right nutrition, you may see it in your skin. So making sure you're getting good, healthy foods and getting, your nutrients that you need, that's going to help. And yarrow pomegranate has antioxidant properties, which are really good. What else? And then when you take your PB Assist, like I showed you guys, I got this free. When you take these are going to help support your digestive tract because it's a probiotic defense formula. And I've been taking a lot of probiotic, and it's got a prebiotic. So that's important as well because the probiotic thing goes further down into the intestines and gets released when it needs to instead of straight into the stomach, where you need a prebiotic there, but you need the probiotic later on. So amazing stuff, amazing oils and things to help with natural wellness. And like I said, I woke up not feeling so great, but I was able to go to church today, sit through service, enjoy it. Then I came home and I took some more oils because I know consistency is key, especially when you wake up and you're not feeling the greatest. That way, hopefully tomorrow I feel maybe 90% better or 100% better. Who knows? Usually I feel a lot better the next day if I'm using my oils for 24, 48 hours consistently when I need them. All right, I use my oils every day, but like I said, when you're not feeling great, sometimes you need a little extra support, and that's what I'm doing. Share with us your boxes. Amy, thank you for sharing. Yesterday I asked her because she's like, my box got delivered. I said, oh, I want to see what you got. So she shared and posted, and if you guys haven't seen that, be sure to see what she got. Everyone gets something a little bit different. That's what I love about having our loyalty rewards program and getting our wellness boxes. You get to customize what's in them and how much, and then you get to cash in on those points, those doTERRA bucks, and get free stuff. Like I said, I got, how many oils did I get free? I cashed in a lot of points, and I got oils free because doTERRA offered 2 oils plus the ornaments free. So frankincense, which is almost a $90 oil, was free. Cassia was free. That was from doTERRA, and then I cashed in for On Guard, couple lemon, fractionated coconut oil, toothpaste. Who can say they get their toothpaste free? I get mine free. And then the ginger drops, like I said, the PB Assist I got free. Adaptive I did not get free. Eventually I'll be able to start getting that free. And then I did my root to tip serum as well because I use that for my hair and love it. And it makes a great beard oil for our gentleman. It really does. Wally loves it and he would use it. He doesn't have a beard now and he doesn't have any hair right now, but he does like that a lot. So that is my unboxing for you guys, a little education, and hopefully you guys are excited. Share what you guys got in your boxes when you get your boxes, or share now, what you're most excited about in your loyalty order this month. And let me know if you're also going to be doing another order and what you hope to get as well. All right, we'll see you all later. Hopefully you're having a great Sunday and resting. And be sure to keep watching for some fun posts that are coming this month and this week. There's going to be some fun ones. I'm really excited for you guys. And I'll have some gift ideas as well. So I hope today gave you some gift ideas. Those teas are awesome. They smell really good. And the Yarrow Palm collection is really awesome. It is a great bundle, great deal. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hi, Connie. So stay well and healthy, and be sure to use your oils, and let me know what you're most excited about getting this month in your order, and what holiday item from doTERRA you are most excited about. Maybe you've been using it already. Maybe it's one of the tea or the Yarrow Palm collection, but share what you're most excited about. So we'll see you all next time. Be sure to watch the replay and let us know in the comments that you're watching, and let us know if you guys have any other questions. So we'll see you next time. Bye.